citizens of the world, let us knock down this mental wall. Time to let a new flag unfurl, large enough to cover us all. In the sea of humanity that will bridge both the land and shore, become one global family. Let's not divide anymore. It is difference that makes us great, opposed to tearing us apart. I swear to you that it's not too late, and all it takes is one to start. It could be you who makes a stand, one burning monk can end a war. Wouldn't fight in Afghanistan, it wasn't worth fighting for. Unlock the door, you have the key. Finally let this madness cease. Everybody say it with me, what is my belief? Can't fight for peace. Come now, citizens of the world, let us knock down this mental wall. Time to let a new flag unfurl, large enough to cover